Olorato gets killed. It's all over the news.
Yes.
Who is the first person that you see that you recognize trending?
Into engenze ngapay attention so much kwilokhunjana ka-Olorato, it was when you interviewed that guy or your owner yeflat. I-voice ngiyi-recognize ukuthi I know this voice. I know this voice and I know how manipulative this guy is because he manipulated amaphoyisa asesebenza police station phambi kwami. So I knew ukuthi lesi story asikhuluma la amanga. I already knew ukuba uyena umuntu and I still believe ukuba he is the one who killed Olorato.
You don't believe it was Makhanya?
I don't believe it was Makhanya. I believe that the person who killed Olorato is and ngiyacabanga ukuthi isona isikhathi sokuthi igcine lento lokuthi kuphelele la manje kube ukuthi it's either bayazikhulumela bona iqiniso okanye lento kushuthi ngeke iziyekele ukwenzeka kodwa mina for me I sacrifice with my life to save other girls' lives.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do everything and click the subscribe button and also don't forget to smash the like button. The flat owner exposed for being involved in syndicates lena. So flat owner wakhuluma ukuthi eMakhanya awuphela ngenkosi Makhanya weda lapha kuye to rent a car. Afika khala wathi asingena endlini sitokhona khuluma kahle ngamthandazela bra. You pray for a person out decide ukuthi ufonele amaphoyisa khona abantu babulika imoto kuwebusuku bathi yesaphi. So people were saying nje ukuthi story sakhe it doesn't make sense man. Story salomuntu lona he seems very much involved kule story sakhe nje asihlangana nakancane. Ungenisa sigebengweni endlini uqabanga ukuthi stokubulala knowing very well ukuthi bathi asingasonzeli kulo muntu loyo wena you decide ukuthi invite endlini yakho. It really didn't make sense. And this girl la uyachaza ukuthi yena wabanjwa nguye lo nangokuthi yena uyathi ukuthi Olorato wabulawa nguye lo flat owner not uphila ngenkosi Makhanya. I'm sure ukuthi this guy wathi makabona amaphoyisa aqhamuka watshela phela ngenkosi ukuthi badubula so that badokhona umbulala because ngabe sebambulele then yena he's gonna be a free man. So story sakhe didn't make sense and this girl is exposing him ukuthi he knows that voice noma ngabe bamvale abuso angamboni but voice yakhe iphila rent free engqondweni yakhe because yena wabanjwa nguye and he will she will never forget leya voice yalesa sigebengu. And it really didn't make sense. It really didn't make sense when ukhuluma ngesigebengu lesifike satobhaca kuwe then ukhuluma lokwendekile then why ufuna ukuthi bakufihle buso usabani ukuthi bakufihle buso because you know ukuthi ama victims they're gonna see you babone ukuthi hayibo mina nguye lo wangibamba lo. So when you didn't think ukuthi voice badoyiva, you didn't think ukuthi voice badova ukuthi wena unguwe nawe you are part of that syndicate. Apparently there are more people involved in the syndicate, even women. Loko buhlungu kakhulu ukuthi the syndicate is bigger than we think. Like it's big. Baningi kusamele babanjwe. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I'm signing out. So goodbye.